Hi, I'm Louisa Walters and I'm a Youth Engagement and Progression Officer for YEPS. Just under 5,000 young people aged 11 to 25 across RCT took part in our Your Voice Survey 2023 and told us about your views, thoughts and opinions on the topics that matter to you. Within the survey, we wanted to learn about your understanding of climate change and also gauge your thoughts around this topic. Firstly, we learned from the survey that 38% of you had good to excellent knowledge of climate change, whilst over half of you felt that your understanding was average or below. There were some excellent responses and suggestions on how to make climate change discussions more interesting for young people. Over a third of you felt videos would help, and also a third of you said you would like to see more climate change activities and projects. 36% of you do feel concerned about climate change, whilst around 50% of you are unsure and maybe see it as concerning. Your voice will be used to help RCT Council, YEPS and other organisations to deliver the things that matter to you. If you want to find out more about your voice, you can find it in the link below or scan the QR code.